Hello kids, hope you all are fine. Welcome to my new video. Today we are revising our letters that we have learned in our previous videos. Here I am writing letter Q and here I am writing lowercase q. Q sounds like qua. And here I am making quarter. Quarter. Here I am writing letter R. It's a capital R. And here I am writing lowercase r. R sounds like r. And here I am drawing R. Can anyone guess? What's it? Yes, it's a rainbow. R, rainbow. Here I am writing letter S. It's a capital S. And here I am writing lowercase s. S sounds like S. Sandwich. S. Sandwich. Okay, here I am writing letter T. It's a capital T. And here I am writing lowercase t. T sounds like T. Teeter. Can anyone guess what I'm drawing there? Yes, it's a turtle. Teeter, turtle. Let's make this drawing more visible with this black marker. Now let's start coloring with me. In letter Q, I'm doing pink color. It's a capital Q. I'm doing pink color and it's a lowercase q. Q qua. Now I'm coloring quarter. Q qua, quarter. When we say quarter, we mean one of the 4 equal parts of something. It's like sharing a toy with 3 friends and each of you get 1/4 of a toy. Q qua, quarter. Now I'm coloring letter R. I'm doing orange color in letter R. It's a capital R. I'm doing orange color. And I'm doing orange color in lowercase r. Now I'm starting coloring rainbow. A rainbow is a beautiful and colorful smile in the sky. A rainbow is a big colorful bridge that appears in the sky with 7 different colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Each color is like a special paint swatch, and together they create a breathtaking picture in the sky. Rainbows remind us of the beauty and wonder of the nature, and they often appear after a rain shower, symbolizing hope and happiness. In clouds, I'm doing pinkish shade. R, rainbow. Now I'm doing blue color in letter S. I'm doing blue color in capital S. And I'm doing blue color in lowercase s. Sandwich. Now I'm coloring sandwich. A sandwich is a yummy food that's like a special hug for your tummy. You know how sometimes we put 2 slices of bread together with something delicious in between, like cheese, peanut butter, and jelly? That's a sandwich. So, a sandwich is like a fun and tasty way to eat 2 slices of bread and something yummy in between. Who likes sandwiches? S, sandwich. Now I'm coloring letter T. I'm doing green color in letter T. It's a capital T. And I'm doing green color in lowercase t. T. And here I'm coloring turtle. A turtle is a slow and steady friend that lives in a special shell.
Turtles have hard protective shell on their back. They can hide inside their shell when they feel scared or need a nap. Turtles also have legs and can move slowly on land, and some turtles even swim in the water. Now make some spellings. Q का quarter. Q U A R T E R quarter. Rainbow. R A I N B O W a rainbow. Sandwich. S A N D W I C H as a sandwich. Turtle. T U R T L E turtle. Q qua quarter. Q qua quarter. Q qua quarter. R a rainbow. R a rainbow. R a rainbow. S a sandwich. S a sandwich. S a sandwich. T turtle. T turtle. T turtle. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and like the video. Bye bye.